Good morning, children. I will teach you English language also and English literature also. So, in English literature, your first chapter is too big, too small. First, you mark in your this on page number 1. You mark it first. To whom you are seeing in this picture. This little girl you are seeing. So this girl's name is Shanu. What is this girl's name? Shanu. And who is standing there? His grandpa is standing there. Grandpa means her dadu is standing there. In the second picture you can see mother cooking food. And on page number 2 you can see his father Abbu, and her mother Dadi there. Now children, we in different religion we call our parents by different names. Like in Hindu we say mummy. Hindi word is mummy. In Muslim family, mummy is being called by the name ammi. We call our father papa, and in Muslim family it is called abbu. So in this chapter we see here that a girl is here whose name is Shanu, and how she is calling her parents, in which language she is calling, you will come to know across. Come. I can lift you up, Shanu, says Ammi. Sorry children. I can't lift you up, Shanu, says Ammi. You are too big. Shanu is the name of the girl, and her mother is telling that Shanu, now you are so big. Now you are too big and I can't lift you. That means I can't carry you. Okay children, I can't carry you. You can't walk to school alone, Shanu, says Abbu. You are too small. Now here comes Shanu's father. Shanu's father tells Shanu that you are too small to go alone to the school. Her mother says, Shanu's mother says, you are too big and I can't lift you. Shanu's Abbu is saying that you are too small. You can't go alone to your school. You can't sleep in the baby's cot, Shanu, says Dadu. You are too big. Here, Shanu's grandfather, Dadaji. Yes, Shanu's grandfather is telling that Shanu, you are too big now. You can't sleep in the baby's cot. Baby's cot means, children, you must have seen small children. They have their special bed and you can swing that bed. What do we call? Jhula. So here Shanu's Dadu is telling that Shanu, you can't sleep in that baby's cot. You are too big now. You can't carry the baby to the park, Shanu, says Dadi. You are too small. What does Dadi say now? Dadi say now that Shanu, you are too small. You can't carry your own, you can't carry the baby. That means Shanu is having her younger brother or sister. And Dadi is telling that Shanu, you can't carry. Shanu is puzzled. Too big, too small. How can she be both? Here Shanu gets confused that how can I be big also? How can I be the small also at the same time? For somebody is telling that you are too big and somebody is telling that you are too small. How can this be possible? Too big to wear her old pink frock. Too big to wear her old pink frock, but too small to make dosas on the stove. Now again Shanu is thinking that I am so big, I can't wear my pink beautiful dress because I have grown up now. I am so small, I can't make dosa. I am big to wear my dress, but I am small to wear my old pink dress. I am big to wear my pink old frock, but I am small. I am unable to make the dosa because I am small. Here Shanu gets confused. Too big to climb up on Dadu's back, but too small to carry the baby on hers. Again Shanu is thinking that I am too big. I can't climb on Dadu's back. Why? How I can be too big at the same time also? And how I can be the small at the same time also, where I can't carry the baby in my hand? Why can't I carry my baby in my hand? Shanu gets confused between these two words. How can I be big and how can be I small? What am I the right size for? Shanu wonders. Now Shanu thinks that what is my actual size? Somebody is telling that I am too big. Somebody is telling that I am too small. Amiss, and she thinks, children, and she tells. She thinks, how can I be big also? How can I be small also? She is thinking, she gets puzzled. So mother solves her problem. Ammi smiles and says, you are just big enough to go to school. You are just big enough to go to school, and you are just small enough for me to carry you on my shoulders, says Abbu. Now children, here Ammi smiles and says again that you are big enough now to go to school. Ammi here says that you are big enough now. You are no more child now. You are big enough now that you will go to school. And on the same, Abbu says that you are just small enough for me to carry you on my shoulders. That here Ammi is telling that you are big. You can go to school now, and Abbu is telling that you are still small. I can carry you. Abbu is telling I can carry you. You are just big enough to take me for my morning walks, says Dadu. Now here Dadu again says, you are big enough that you can carry me to the morning walks. You can hold my hand and you can carry me for the morning walk. And you are just small enough for me to tell stories too, says Dadi. And Dadi is telling that again you are so small, you can't tell me the stories. So again, all the family members, they all are teasing this Shanu that you are too big and you are too small. And you will always be the perfect size for this, they all say, and give her a warm, wonderful hug. Now children, all these family members, they love Shanu, and what they all do, Shanu is a small girl, they all hold Shanu in their hands togetherly. You can see in the picture. and they all say that your size is the perfect one. Whatever we have told you that you are too big or you are too small, you are the same thing. You will be the same, or you will be of the same size, and they all love there. Because children, parents love their children a lot. So in this chapter, Dadi, Dadu, they all are loving Shanu, and they are explaining that she is too big, how she is too big and how she is too small. Dadu can't say Shanu to sit on her shoulders. For Dadu, Shanu is too big now. But Shanu is not so small enough that she will not go to school. Understood, children? When this chapter gets over also, you will read this chapter and you will see the word meanings also. Now complete these sentences with too big or too small. To sleep in baby's cot. To sleep in baby's cot, Shanu is what? Shanu is too small. Too big. Shanu is too big to sleep in baby's cot. Too big. To walk to school alone. She is too small. She can't go to school alone, so she is small. To carry the baby, Shanu is too small. Too small to carry her baby. To make dosas on the stove, too small. To wear her old pink frock, too big. Shanu is big now, she can't wear her old pink frock. To climb on Dadu's back, too big. Now children, answer these questions. We will do in the next class. Okay? Now have a good day, children. Bye, children.